welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, here we talk about trading. I teach you, I show you trading tips, I show you different indicators how to work with, and there are so many useful tips for you if you are interested in trading. Before we start, please put a big thumbs up to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and of course turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. So guys, let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis, and we'll try to find working situations today and of course to try to make money. Usually I work on resistance, support levels, downtrends, uptrends, and other patterns and situations on the market. And on my deposit today I have $155, and I think my goal will be for today around $20,000. The amount is quite large, but I hope that everything will work out for me today. Just depending on the situation, we will see how it goes. And yeah, guys, please watch this video till the end, so it will be interesting. And let's get started. Just at the moment I already see the first entry point, and let's explain it to you. There is a level of support here down below. We also see that at the moment there is a good and confident downward movement. The price is approaching the level. At the same time, there is very little space left before the level, but we will open a deal anyway, literally for 1 minute to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level because the price has an excellent potential for going down. At the same time, the price moves quite impulsively and confidently. I think that in this situation 1 minute here will be quite enough, and we will have enough time to work with you on this moment. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, it's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price really continued to move towards the level. The level was also broken by a good confident post-red candle. This is where we make a profit. We can also try to open the next deal here because we see that there was a good and confident downward movement here. There was also an impulse breakdown of the level, and after the breakdown, attenuation occurs. The price has stopped. As soon as the green candle begins to form, I will open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that in this situation, some kind of corrective movement is more likely to occur, as in most cases after an impulse breakout, a correction and a rollback in the opposite direction occur. As a rule, in such situation 1 minute will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. The price really got into the correction zone. There was a pullback up, and here we are making profit. The patterns work perfectly, not a bad start. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here we see the level of support. We also see that at the moment after the pullback, the price has turned around and is moving confident to the level again. In this situation, I'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, since the price here has also recently had an excellent potential for going down. 2 minutes, we take time with the margin, with what if a corrective movement will occur or an upward pullback. So yeah, I think this time will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great, the price continued to move down and the level was broken. Here we get a great and confident profit. The price has a really great potential for going down. 2 minutes was enough for us, and we have just worked on the approach of the price to the level as well as on further breakouts. So far things gone great. Let's continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that the price has reached our level. It's already starting to go beyond it. We'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. It is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future, since the price here also has an extra potential to increase. 2 minutes also with a margin, because some kind of corrective movement or a pullback down will occur. And yeah, but we see that at the moment the price is just constantly continuing to move up. I hope that this time will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, it's quite good, guys. As you can see, the price has really continued to move up and we are making profit. I have just worked on breaking through the resistance level. The price has an excellent potential to going up, and this situation worked fine. Everything is going great. Let's continue and find another next entry point. Here we have a level of support. We also see that after the first touch of the level, there was an upward pullback, and now the price has come up to our level again. There is a kind of compression, and in this situation I think I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. Since the price here also has a good potential for going down, at the moment there is a certain compression of our level. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, definitely. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough, even take into account possible pro trade. And just at the moment the price is already started to go beyond our level, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. As you can see, indeed, after a slight upward pullback, the price turned around and continued to move down. This level was still broken through. This is where we make a profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us, and we worked just now on a breaking through the support level. Let's continue and consider that situation market. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. Also, after touching the support level, there was an upward pullback, and at the moment there is a reversal. The price starts moving down. In this situation, I think I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. Since the price has an excellent potential for going down, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. I think that 2 minutes here will be quite enough when taking into account possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. What do you think about this, guys? I think it's really good. The price really continued to move down, and here we are making profit. There has also been an upward pullback at the moment, but the most important thing that we still managed to close our deal with profit. I also think that in the near future, after the upward pullback, the price will turn around and continue moving towards the level again. Now I just observe the price a little will continue. We see the red candles are beginning to form. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that we will have time with you to work on this situation and to work on the downward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, that's quite good. The price has slowed down a bit, but still the downward movement continues. This is where we make a profit. At the moment there is a certain attenuation. Now I'm going to watch the price for a bit. If the price continues to move to the level, then we can open the next deal here. If a reversal suddenly occurs or the price moves into the pro trading zone, then I'll find another more confident entry point. So guys, here we have a level of support. We'll see that there was a good confident downward movement here. After touching the level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, the price again approached our level. So I think we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, since the price here has also recently had an excellent potential for going down. 2 minutes also with a margin, take into account possible pro trade or a rollback up. And so guys, let's wait for the result. So what do I think about that? That's not bad. The level was really broken and we made a profit. Also after the breakout there was an upward pullback, but we managed to work with you on this downward movement. Everything is going well. Let's continue to find another situation in the market. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also resistance level at the top. After touching the level, there was a pullback down, and after the pullback, the price turns around and starts moving to the level again. In this situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move towards the level, since the price here also has an excellent potential for going up. 2 minutes also with a margin, take into account possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, quite good. As you can see, after the pro trading, the upward movement continued, and here we made a profit. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. 2 minutes in this situation was quite enough. We also see that after touching the level, there is a slight pullback down. Now I'll watch a price a little, and maybe we'll open the next deal here. And so guys, we see that after a slight pullback, the price starts moving up again. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. At the moment there is certain compression of our level, and at the same time we see that the price has an excellent potential to going up. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. I hope that 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move up and the level was broken. This is where we make a profit. I have just worked on breaking through the resistance level. The price has a really great potential to going up. Everything is going great. Let's continue and find the next entry point. Here at the top guys, we have resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident upward movement. At the same time there is still space for the level. In this situation I propose to open a deal with a margin of 3 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move directly to the resistance level. 3 minutes, we also take time with the margin, take into account possible pro trade or roll back down. But since the price is moving up quite confident, I think that this time will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's fine. Indeed, there was a deep pullback down, but after that the price turned around and continued to move up. This is where we make a profit. The price really continued to move up directly to the resistance level, and 3 minutes was enough for us to work on this upward movement. Meanwhile, I already have $16,000 on my deposit, so I think we will open one more deal for today. Just let me find a good situation, we will continue. So, rewinding the graph slightly to the left, I set the level for the lower values of these candles. We also see that at the moment there is a good confidence in the directional movement. The price is moving towards the level. There is also a slight upward pullback at the moment. This situation is just opening a deal with a margin of 5 minutes to go down because the price has an excellent potential for going down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. We also take 5 minutes with the margin, take into account possible pro trade or roll back up. Since the price moved down quite confidently, some kind of corrective movement may occur in the near future. We also see that there is still quite a lot of space before the support level, but I hope that we will have time to work with you on this downtrend movement, and 5 minutes will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite an interesting situation has occurred. The price moved quite impulsively. I got into the pro trading zone, but in any case there was an exit from the pro trading zone and the price continued to move down. In this situation, 5 minutes for us was totally enough, and we managed to work with you on this downward movement. In the meantime, I already have $21,000 on my deposit. I propose to end this, so I fixed the profit and leave the market. That's it for today guys, and as you have seen, all the market situation worked out perfectly today. I still managed to achieve my goal for today and I'm very happy about it. I hope that you like this video and learned something new today. Just as you may have noticed that all the situations are similar and in trading everything is getting repeated. You also can find such situations and trade on them, of course. Don't forget to trade and train. This is our super important tips you need to hear, and if you do that you will accumulate your own experience, which will help you to boost your trading experience and have more and more profit. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. It's my trading signals. If you want to get into this group, then text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. So guys, I wish you have a successful trading and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!